Are you looking for the best DTF film for sublimation? In this video we will look at some of the best DTF film for sublimation on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. CenDale 11x17 DTF Sheets. We found that CenDale DTF transfer film to deliver vibrant transfers on various fabrics with ease. After getting our hands on the CenDale DTF transfer film, we're quite impressed by its performance. These sheets made it straightforward for us to transfer vivid and sharp designs onto materials such as cotton, silk, and polyester. Their compatibility with different fabric colors, including darker tones, was remarkable. Moreover, there was no need for tedious weeding, making the entire process a breeze. During our session, the quality of the transfer struck us the most. Our prints came out looking both bright and durable, a testament to the high-quality film used. Washing the transferred prints didn't diminish their appearance, suggesting good washability and stretch resistance. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Some printers might need a bit of coaxing to accept the film, potentially leading to misfeeds or jamming if not handled correctly. The instructions emphasize careful storage to use the film later, which could be a slight hassle if you're short on space. In summary, the CenDale DTF transfer film brings professional quality into our studio, offering a prominent solution for an array of DTF printing needs. Despite some minor hiccups, our experience leads us to believe these sheets are a sound investment for creatives looking to produce high-grade sublimation prints. At number 2. Yamation DTF Transfer Film. We found that Yamation DTF Transfer Film excels in producing vivid and durable prints, making it a wise choice for DIY and professional projects alike. Our experience with Yamation DTF Transfer Film has been noteworthy. When we used it on a variety of fabrics, colors popped remarkably well, and we appreciated the film for its compatibility with different textile hues. The double matte side helped the film glide through the printer without hiccups, and we did not experience any static issues, which was a plus. However, getting the hang of it took a little time, and in some cases, we had to attach a strip of white paper to help the printer recognize the film. This wasn't a deal breaker but something to keep in mind. The film's impressive durability stood out during our trial runs. Even after several washes, the transferred designs retained their original luster and detail. The vibrant output on dark fabrics was particularly impressive, a testament to the high ink absorption of the film. We've seen that it lives up to its promises regarding wear and color fastness. However, the powder application step required in the DTF process can be tricky for those new to the technique. We recommend practicing this step to minimize powder wastage and ensure even coverage for the best final product. Despite the initial learning curve, we find the struggling phase is short-lived as the quality of the end result is worth the effort. Our final touches with the Yamation DTF transfer film have been satisfying. Handling the product offers us insights into its capabilities and limitations. Based on our utilization, it's a film that'll suit both beginners eager to learn and experienced professionals seeking consistency in their prints. The pros undoubtedly outweigh the cons, ensuring that the prints you create will be met with admiration and satisfaction. At number 3. Beryzol DTF Film. We think you'll be quite pleased with the Beryzol DTF transfer film for its simplicity in operation and impressive print results on various types of fabric. Attempting to achieve vivid, lasting prints on t-shirts and textiles has led us to choose the Beryzol DTF transfer film. We immediately noticed the clarity of the prints, likely due to the glossy paper's notable ink absorption. Colors popped against the background and their resolve against bleeding was clear. Interestingly, this product translates our creative designs into tangible art on virtually any fabric, whether it's the lightest white or the deepest black. The operation was a breeze, no mess, no fuss, and definitely no weedings. We just printed our designs, cut them out, and applied them directly to the chosen material. During our use, it's become apparent that although the film is advertised as being compatible with various printers, some machines struggle to detect the film. To circumvent this, we recommend applying a strip of tape to the film's edge if you encounter detection issues. Also, for those looking to apply designs on dark fabrics, we found it crucial to lay down a white base to ensure the colors truly shine through. In conclusion, the Beryzol DTF transfer film became an indispensable part of our DIY textile printing projects, and we are quite delighted with the ease and versatility it offers. At number 4. Goefun DTF Transfer Film. After trying these out, we can say they're a solid choice for custom apparel creation due to their ease of use and quality output. When we got our hands on the Goefun DTF Transfer Film, the first thing we noticed was the quality of the material. The double-sided matte finish felt premium and seemed like it would handle prints well. We were eager to see how they would hold up after a few washes, and to our satisfaction, the designs maintained their vibrancy and detail without fading. We really appreciated how user-friendly these sheets were. They saved us a lot of time typically spent on weeding and pre-pressing with other transfer methods. Cutting and pressing our designs was a breeze, and the end result looked as if it was done by a professional. The easy peel-off nature made for a clean, hassle-free experience. The versatility of the Goefun DTF transfer film also impressed us. It was great that we could use it across all types of fabric colors, including challenging darks and blacks, without losing the design's impact or needing to adjust our approach too much. However, it's worth noting that you'll need a DTF printer, specific inks, and powder, which may be an extra investment for some. Overall, our time with this product was quite positive. It allowed us to unleash our creativity without being bound by the typical limitations of fabric types and colors. At number 5. HTVRONT Easy Use DTF Sheets. We believe that these transfer films are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their fabric printing game with vibrant designs that last. After trying out the HTVRONT DTF transfer film, we're impressed with how vividly our designs transferred to various fabrics. The colors popped, and the result had a professional touch that seems like it will hold up well in the wash. We found it refreshingly straightforward to use, no pre-treatment required, and the sticker indicating the print side avoided any confusion. Even beginners to the DTF process should find it easy to get started. However, if you're looking to include white in your design, you may need to look elsewhere. This film doesn't support white ink, which can be a deal breaker for some. Also, we noticed the film's thinness could be an issue for certain printers, but with a bit of patience, it feeds through just fine. Heating the powder to just the right level takes a bit of practice, as the instructions could be clearer on exact times. At number 6. CenDale DTF Film. If you're looking to enhance your fabric printing projects with vibrant and lasting colors, these transfer films are a top-notch choice. Our recent experience with the CenDale DTF transfer film was incredibly satisfying. The film allows for superior ink absorption, leading to colors that pop beautifully after transfer. We found the anti-slip layer quite useful, as it ensured smooth feeding through our printer, eliminating the annoyance of a film that just won't align. What really stands out to us is how undemanding the process is. We skipped the usual prep steps and moved directly from printing to pressing. The film cut cleanly, saving us the common hassle of weeding. Even on materials like leather and lycra, the results were remarkable. This film adheres to them without any complaints. We appreciate how well this film responds to washing. We've seen designs stretch and fade with less durable transfer films, but CenDale's film maintains the design integrity through multiple wash cycles. It's a game changer for custom clothiers and hobbyists who value longevity in their work. For those venturing into DTF for the first time, prepare for a learning curve, as the packaging could provide more detailed instructions. Additionally, the film's thickness, which aids in quality transfers, might be tricky for some. And remember, if you're not using white ink in your DTF sublimation process, stick to white fabrics to get the true vibrancy this film can offer.